Before we proceed to our chapter, let us learn few new words and their meanings. Sandwich. Sandwich is of two pieces of bread with a filling between them. Plate. Plate is a circular flat dish from which food is served or eaten. Cupboard. Cupboard is a furniture with shelves. It is used for storing things. Laces. Children, see, here are two pictures. Laces are of two types. First, shoelaces. You know what is shoelaces? A string. Okay. Now, the other side is a fine fabric of cotton or silk made by looping or knitting. Carefully. Carefully means taking care or paying attention. Pushes. An act of pushing someone or something in order to move them away from oneself. Tie. Tie means to fasten things together. Tight. Tight means not loose, fixed. Children, open page number 77, lesson 6. Warm up. Write 3 things you can do well and 3 things you want to do. Yes, children? We do so many things well. We cannot do other things very well. That is all right. We must try and do whatever we can. Now I am going to read the lesson. Okay, this is the story of Gina. Okay, and what she is going to do on a holiday. Let us see. Okay, open page number 78. Today is Sunday. Mother is in the kitchen. She wants to make a sandwich for Gina. I can help, says Gina. I can make the sandwich. She puts some bread and butter on the table. Isn't it? Look at the picture. Gina is putting bread and butter on the table. Okay, children, say yes or no. Gina wants to make the sandwich herself? Yes. Good, Mother says. Let me get a plate. No, says Gina. I can do that. She takes a plate from the cupboard. Then she makes her sandwich. Gina eats the sandwich. Then she washes the plate. Okay, children, what are the 4 things that Gina does? First, she takes a plate from the cupboard. Second, she makes a sandwich. Third, she eats the sandwich. Fourth, then she washes the plate. Everything is so easy. I can do it all, she says. Do you want to go to the park? Asks Mother. Yes, Mother. Let me put on my new shoes, Gina says. See, she loves to go to the park. And she said, She will wear a new shoes. Okay, children, did you know your feet do not stop growing until you're almost 20 years old? The new shoes have laces. I can tie the laces, Gina says. She pulls and pushes. She turns the laces this way and that. She tries and tries. She cannot tie her laces. Look how she is trying. She wants to tie her laces herself. Here, let me show you, says mother. Mother shows Gina how to tie her laces. Gina carefully does what her mother says. At last, she pulls the laces tight. Thank you, mother. I can tie my shoelaces now, smiles Gina. Okay, children. Her mother taught her how to tie her laces. Do your shoes have laces? Yes, if your shoes are having laces, learn to tie by yourself. What your mother taught you to do. So many things, isn't it? Page number 80. Reading. Exercise A. Answer these questions. Children, these questions have to be done orally. You don't have to write the answers in the notebook. Okay, children? Now, we'll discuss now. What things did Gina put on the table? Gina put some bread and butter on the table. Why did Gina want those things? She wants to make a sandwich. Third one. Everything is so easy. I can do it all. What was easy? Gina finds making the sandwich and eating it easy to do. What did Gina do after her meal? Yes, she washes her plate. Fourth question. What did Gina's new shoes have? They had laces. How did Gina learn to tie them? Yes, her mother taught her how to do it.